PHIO stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. This thing absolutely blew up. I mean, looking at this, 328% up is cool number. And to be perfectly honest, it was really kind of out of nowhere, because like last time I made a video, it was probably somewhere there and the price started plummeting, and out of nowhere it just has done its thing. Let's check out the weekly chart, because this is like when the price starts going up like this, the only thing that I have in my head, and at least what I've seen the most success with, is the price actually just doubling down on this bullish already moving trend. How am I going to do that? It's obviously like a lower time frame approach from a day slash swing trade perspective. And the only thing in this case that I would be interested in is the price going down the 5 or 1 minute chart, and then if I see my Wyckoff accumulation or stuff like that, then and only then pull the trigger, while again simultaneously following the edge, you know, because there's rules that must be followed, checklist in other words. So it's obviously not financial advice. I will continue to keep you updated, and most importantly waiting. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.